Hello.
Are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Good. At first, we're going to have some questions. What's your name and how old are you?
My name is William. I'm 11 years old.
Good. Where do you live?
I live in An Khang,
Where is it?
in Hanoi.
Okay. What extreme weather do you know?
I know a typhoon, a tornado, a blizzard, hailstorm, flood, and heat wave.
Okay. What happens if a storm brings too much rain?
If a storm brings too much rain, it will have a flood.
Okay. What happens if a place gets little rain?
If a place gets little rain, it have a drought.
Okay. What types of storms happen when it's very cold?
If it's very cold, it have a blizzard and hailstorm.
Okay. What types of storms have very high wind speed?
If it has very high wind speed, it can be a tornado or a hurricane.
Okay. Have you ever experienced extreme weather?
Yes, I have. I experienced the typhoon Yagi.
Okay. Next one. You're going to be needing to find the differences between two pictures. Okay.
Yes.
For example, in my picture there are two elephants.
But in my picture, there are one
There
elephant.
is.
There is one elephant.
Okay. In my picture there are 4 monkeys in the tree.
But in my picture, there are 3 monkeys in the trees.
Good. In my picture the baby is crying.
But in my picture, the baby is sleeping.
In my picture there is the pink bag on the ground.
But in my picture, there is the blue bag in the ground.
In my picture there are two girls eating ice cream.
But in my picture, there are two girls eat sandwiches.
Okay. In my picture there is the dog behind the trash bin.
But in my picture, there is the dog in front of the trash bins.
Good. In my picture there is the woman who's wearing a green t-shirt and taking photos.
But in my pictures, the man who's wearing green t-shirt taking the photos.
Okay, good. Next one, we're gonna exchange information. So you're gonna ask me some questions
Yes.
to get the answers, and then we're gonna switch.
Who gave Sarah the book?
Her cousin.
What's the book called?
It's called The Star.
What is it about?
It's about a singer.
When did she finish it?
She finished it last week.
Was it interesting or boring?
Interesting. It was interesting. Okay. Who gave Harry the book?
His friend.
Okay. What is the name of the book?
It's called Silver Boots.
Okay. What is it about?
It's about a footballer.
When did he finish it?
He finished it yesterday.
Is it interesting or boring?
It's boring.
Okay, good. Now the next one, you have a topic to talk. Could you please talk about your favorite musical instrument?
Yes, my favorite musical instrument is the piano because it has a beautiful sound and easy to play. I started playing it when I was 6 years old. To play it, you press the key, and inside the piano, it has a little hammers hit the string to make the sound. That's why the piano called string and percussion instrument. I play it 3 times a week with my teacher. I can play some songs like Happy Birthday song and For Life. I
Or at
love
least.
Police. I love to play it and hope to become better at it every day.
Where do you play it?
I play it in my class.
Not at home?
No.
Okay, good job. Thank you.